Boom Supersonic's XB-1 demonstrator jet became the first U.S. civilian supersonic jet to break the sound barrier. The plane reached an altitude of more than 10 kilometers during the test before accelerating to Mach 1.1, past the speed of sound. The British Army is reportedly exploring the installation of cope cages on its Challenger 2 main battle tanks to enhance protection against drones and anti-tank munitions. The British Army is considering placing them on the turret roof of the Challenger 2 tanks, where they are most vulnerable. Iran has unveiled a massive, heavy-duty drone, reportedly capable of flying up to 4,000 kilometers. The Shahed 149, also known as Gaza, is capable of supporting surveillance, reconnaissance and logistics operations. An F-35 fighter jet crashed during a training exercise at Eielson Air Force Base in Alaska. The pilot experienced an in-flight malfunction and was able to eject from the aircraft. According to the reports, crash happened while landing during a training exercise.